Hi, Gary Walpole of Circular Economy Innovation Communities Wales. I've come across to the Warsaw School of Economics with the support of Welsh Government to engage the academics right across Poland in circular economy thinking and to help them understand and develop their innovation tools and techniques, which in turn they can develop within their students and with the businesses that they work with across Poland.
Circular economy innovation is not just a technological challenge. It's a challenge for business modeling, it's the challenge also for long-term sustainability relationships and long-term sustainability future world.
I enjoyed the most the teamwork and that we have the different point of view, but we have to realize that during the working on innovation process we have to involve every person in an organization. So you have to show them the goal, and sometimes even if it is a leader, you have to learn the people what is the goal and follow the rules. Otherwise, if you do not have the clear goal, nothing happened.
I will use some of the tools and some of the exercises to show members of foundation which I work, association when I work, and that when we design the processes, we have to understand really each other in the language of each other. Means the metaphors for one person are not clear for the other. We really had a lot of proofs by the exercises that one thing can be completely understood by other in different way, different perspective, and so it was very open my eyes.
It was really interesting how different approach you can have to the same task, to the same problem, depending from which sector, which business or academic area are you from, and it was a really huge lesson for me to broaden my perspective.
What I have enjoyed the most about the workshop is the possibility to network with people from completely different industries, disciplines. So when you meet together with people from NGOs, with people from universities, you come up with completely new ideas. So it really energized and inspired me for further development. I loved it.
It was very interesting to face business point of view, foundation, NGOs point of view, as well as university people, so it was very good. Using the method of design thinking was very interesting, and for sure we can try this approach in a business.
After the workshop, I'm even more convinced that inspiration, motivation and building the community is very important. They have inspired me to do something similar for our faculty members and other staff. We are also grateful to Cardiff, Met University and CEIC Wales. Thank you very much for your openness and being with us.